welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you haven't met me yet, and yes, some people call me Shante. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome, but why don't you just click on that subscribe button just below the screen and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another or any video. We'd love to have you as part of this family, and yes, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You guys are the bomb. I love you. So I'm back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face of one brand. I got a lot of products from a brand called Nicka-K, like all of these products, and it is enough to do a full face glam with, and that is what I'm just going to be doing today. So in today's video I'm going to be using just one brand for the whole makeup that I'm going to be doing, and we're going to see how that turns out. Of course, this video is sponsored by the same brand. It's called Nicka-K. It's a US brand, but right now they have a Nigerian franchise, and that is who is sponsoring this video. So if you like to see how I achieve this end result, it's really simple. All you have to do is just keep on watching. Okay, so for some reason I don't have a brow product from Nicka-K, so I'm just going to be doing my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my brows are on and I'm just going to go ahead and clean them up with the Nicka-K concealer. This is in the shade medium, and this is what it looks like. So now my brows are done and I'm just going to be moving straight into my eye makeup. I have the eye primer from Nicka-K and I'm just going to be using that on my eyes. I have these two eyeshadow palettes from them. One is all matte and this is like shimmery and matte. This is the 23 perfect 23 matte colors, and I'm just going to be taking my transition colors from in here. So first of all, I'm going to be going into this color right here, and I'm going to be using that to set the concealer that I applied under my brows. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be applying that in my transition area. Next, I'm going to be taking this orange color here, and I'm going to be intensifying my crease with that. That is going to be going into my outer corner with a smaller fluffy brush. And I'm using the blending brush that I used first of all just to blend out the edges of that color. And lastly, on the outer corner, I'm going to be going into this color. Okay, so back with the first blending brush and just blending there. I'm going to be doing a half cut crease on my eyes, and I'm going to be using a white primer to do that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm not making it too defined, like the crease, the cut crease. I'm not making it too defined. I'm just going to leave it here, and then I'm going to change over to the 32 color palette, which has the shimmery colors in it, and that is where I'm going to be getting my lead colors for today from. So I'm going to be using these two colors from this palette, this neon yellow and this green. I'm going to be starting with the yellow in my inner corner. I'm just going to be dropping that yellow color here. That is really pigmented. So for the middle part, I'm going to be using the green color that I showed earlier on. And to blend out the outer corners, I'm going to be going into the first color that I used in my transition when I was transitioning, and I'm going to use that to blend out the end of the eyeshadow. Yeah, just like that. So this is what we have right now. Now I'm going to take the first blending brush that I used, which is this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out all the edges. Now I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Nicka-K art liner pen. It's black and this is what it looks like. So far this is what I came up with. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I didn't get any lashes from this brand. I am not sure if they carry lashes, so I'm going to be using this NickaJohn Mink lashes, and I'm going to be applying it with the NickaJohn lash glue. So I have on the luxury edition of the Lashed by NickaJohn, and I applied it with the lash glue from them. And now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to be priming my face with the primer from Nicka-K. This is the Ultra Smoothing Makeup Primer, and I'm just going to apply that with my fingers. I believe it's a silicone based primer because it is transparent. I'm going to go on to correct my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to move on to foundation. I have two shades of the stick foundation. One is in M Brown and the other is in Almond. I'm going to open them up to see which one I'll be using. That is what medium brown looks like. This is what Almond looks like. So the medium brown is quite cool and this is quite red. So I just think that I'm going to be mixing both of them together. We're gonna see how that goes. So I'm not really used to stick foundations, but for this, I'm open to trying it out. Okay, so this blended out really nicely. It's not full coverage because I can still see my scars peeking through, but that is okay. To highlight my face, I'm going to be taking the concealer in medium, which is what I use to clean my brows, and I'm going to be applying that where I'll normally highlight. So to blend out the concealer, I'm using a beauty sponge, and I'm starting from my chin area first. I'm going to be setting my face with the banana powder. This is called the Nicka-K Perfection Finishing Powder, and it's in the shade Banana. This powder is quite yellow, so I'm really not sure if it's going to flash back or anything. That's why I'm not using too much. To set the rest of my face, I have two of their powders. One is in the shade Walnut and the other is in the shade Brown. I'm going to be going all over my face with the Walnut shade. I'm just patting this and pressing down on the foundation. I'm also putting that over where I applied the finishing powder. For contour, I'm going to be using the Dual Contour palette. It has two. I dipped my nails into that. It has two colors, the dark brown and the lighter brown. So I'm going to be using this deeper brown to contour my face. Wow, that is brown. And I'm just going to pinch the brush and shape out my nose. I'm going to be lining my waterline with the 24-hour waterproof eyeliner, and it has a smudger at the bottom. Okay, now this didn't perform badly at all. I'm really impressed with the eyeliner. I'm going to be taking this color right here and I'm going to be smudging that in my waterline. For my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this shimmery color right here and I'm going to be popping this in my inner corner just to open my eyes a little bit more. So now I'm taking the Nicka-K mascara in black and I'm just going to use that on my bottom lashes and on my real lashes. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using this big old bronzer from Nicka-K. It's called the Share and Glow Bronzer. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to swipe my brush around the three colors. Let's see how that performs. Hello there. And for blush, I'm going to be using the duo blush. I'm going to be dipping my brush into these two colors, and I'm going to gently apply that on the apples of my cheeks. For lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and then I'm going to be using the Nicka-K True Matte lipstick. This is in the shade Millbrook. It's like a brown nude color. Okay, it isn't particularly nude, it's like a grayish nude color. To seal up everything, I'm going to be using the Perfect Finishing Spray from Nicka-K as well. So while that dries up, I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. So finally, we have a finished look, and this is the look that I came up with using all Nicka-K products. I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked this look and you learned one or two things and it inspires you to create yours. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social media handles. I am on Instagram, on Facebook, and Snapchat, and on YouTube here. And with that being said, I guess I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I'm looking forward to next time.